All right, I know this video is a little bit off topic because I normally do videos on my Lotus, and that's pretty much all I've done videos about. But when I was thinking about this is my family vehicle, this is my 2013 Suburban LTZ, two-wheel drive, 1500. And I was thinking about doing some mods on this vehicle. I wanted to put bigger tires on there. I kind of wanted to lift it up a little bit, but I couldn't find anything at all on a Suburban. You know, and I was looking for the actual Suburban to do the video on, or to find a video on YouTube. And I searched and I searched, couldn't find anything. So I figured, I mean, I'm talking about like weeks on YouTube looking for stuff. So I figured this video is probably something that there's other people looking for it too that have a Suburban, thinking about lifting it up a little bit and putting bigger tires on there. So I figure the video had to be made. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what I did to it. On the back, I have a 2-inch leveling kit, and on the front, I have a 3-inch leveling kit. And it does kind of sit a little squatted. The front is a little bit higher than the back, which I like. I like that look. I ended up going with the 285 70 17s. I do have that 3-inch lift on the front, and I have the 2-inch lift on the back. I went and put these tires on. And there was no lift on the back when I put the tires on. There was still that 3-inch lift on the front. I hadn't got the back done yet. And with these tires on, there's no rubbing in the back. I mean, even on bumps and anything, they were perfectly fine. I'm not sure if you put this size tire on stock without a lift, I'm not sure if it'll rub on the front. But it doesn't rub. 3-inch lift is high enough, or a 3-inch leveling kit is high enough. I can turn the wheel full lock. There's no issues. There's no rubbing issues. I was gonna go with the 315 70 17 on here. I wanted to at least try it to see what it would do. Never did try it. I might sometime in the future I might go put those size tires on there and just see what it does. But as far as the 2013 Suburban LTZ 1500 two-wheel drive, 285 70 17, they do fit. I can say they fit on the back, stock, with no leveling kit, lift, or anything like that. On the front, from what it looks like it would fit. It looks like with no level kit on there, if it was just bare stock, they would fit. I had 265 70 17s on here, Falcon all-terrain, and they fit perfectly fine stock, no leveling kit or anything, no rubbing, not even close to rubbing on there. But I hadn't seen a video on a Suburban, an actual Suburban. You know, I've seen Silverados and other Chevy products with the leveling kit and bigger tires, but I hadn't seen a video on the actual Suburban with bigger tires on here, especially the 285s. I hadn't seen that. If I eventually do go with the 315 70 75s, I'll make a video on that and see how they fit with the 3-inch in the front and the 2-inch in the back leveling kit. But as of now, I like the way this looks, and there's no issue. So if anybody's out there thinking about this, thinking about doing it, I'd say even a 1.5, or maybe even stock, but a 1.5 leveling kit on the front, nothing on the back, and these tires will fit perfectly fine. I can turn the steering wheel full lock, no issues. If you guys are wondering, or if you have any questions about what tires I'm running on here, I had the Falcon 265 70 17 on here before, and I'm running the BF Goodrich, the KO2s, all-terrains. These are the tires, and they're great. These are the tires I have on there now, all the way around. The Falcons were great. They were just a little bit too small. I didn't want the 265 on there, so I'm running the BF Goodrich tires now. And so far they're holding up. I mean, I've only had them on there for a few days, and they feel great. I mean, they're great tires, real meaty. I like the way they look. They look real aggressive. So I'll do a review on these a little bit later on, and let you know exactly how I feel about these tires.